Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're gonna have an introduction of how to use SolidWorks. When you work with SolidWorks, you have to choose between three types of files. Go here, left click. These are the three types of SolidWorks: the part, assembly, and drawing. Each single of these types will be covered in this course. During this course, I will show more emphasis on how to work with parts, because parts are the basis of creating assemblies and drawings. We will see that the parts are being generated through 2D drawings using sketches features and applied features. The 2D sketches consist of different kinds of tools. For example, lines, rectangles, circles, and arcs. These tools require a series of geometric relations as well as dimensions. Click on Part and select OK. So SolidWorks users getting confused with is the editing part mode and the editing sketch mode. As you can see here, it says editing part. So right now I'm in the editing part mode. If you don't see this part here, go to View, User Interface, and select the status bar. As you're trying to generate a 3D model, SolidWorks falls in one of these two modes, either in editing sketch mode or in editing part mode. So the editing sketch mode is a base of the 3D model, is the fundamental lines and tools, dimensions and relations that require in order to have a complete 3D model. Go to Extrude Boss. With your middle button of the mouse, you can scroll it up to you and you can zoom in. In the opposite direction, you can zoom out. If you hold it down and turn your mouse around, move your mouse, you can rotate the planes as well as a 3D model. Now I have to choose one of these three planes here: front, right, or top. Choose a front plane. These icons here means exit sketch. I can exit my sketch from here as well. If you press this red icon here, you can discard your sketch. Another way that I can enter the editing sketch mode: press exit sketch, go to sketch, select the sketch, and again SolidWorks give me the opportunity to choose one of these three planes again to begin my toon drawing. Select from plane, and again, once I finish the sketch here, SolidWorks will automatically take me back to these features, and then I have to select them. So the fastest way to start your sketch with is to start from Extrude Boss or from Revolve Boss. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.